Yesterday, Monday, 17th November 2014, news break says so many things they happen for Ekiti State. On top of this program today, as it hot, we dey look at the recent political development, what some people don't call political somersault inside Ekiti State. My name na Wazobia Chukwudi. I know they alone inside studio. I dey with my brother wey sabi well as it take concern this matter.
Yes, our lovely viewers where they watch us from different parts of Obodo, Nigeria. My name is Nkubi, and this now as it is hot.
Before we go far, you know the channel where you watch Wazobia TV on top channel 195. This now the program will give you license to talk as it be you for body as it is hot. And remember, so you feel join us as plenty people already they chook mouth on top of the matter we discuss today for Facebook, for Twitter, and even our website. Rush go there, make yourself chook mouth for inside this matter. Nkubi,
yes,
no long story. You know, we don't read newspaper, we don't check internet. You know, even the sharp news for Wazobia TV.
Exactly.
Say something they happen for Ekiti State. How you take reason this matter? When we say people talk say they impeach governor, and some other people they talk say no, they don't impeach him. Say they follow the right action and the due process.
You know, say get things will go happen for Obodo Naija. The only thing will make somebody like me just they do not just they smile, just they laugh.
Why you go this? You don't tire.
Because it did very over say some part of our constitution no they function again.
How do you mean?
You know they function again. You know they function again. Our law know they too. It gets some angles of our law we say. We don't they take and they play ball as if they approve by that same government where we elect. Say Chukwudi, for this same democratic era we say they practice, now this kind of thing they happen.
What happen? What happen?
They illegally impeached speaker. They asked me everything happened.
Nobody was impeached. Get your facts right.
No, they tell me nobody was impeached.
You go allow me talk.
Illegal impeachment. You go tell me that one.
You go allow me talk.
Talk.
You see. This thing, they're very simple. You see, the good people of Ekiti State decide, say, yes, the time has come for change. And all of them come out. You there here.
Talk.
No, calm down. They come vote Governor Ayodele Fayose as the governor of the state.
As people don't know, say crisis happened during that election.
Oh. No,
go on. No, they talk.
Governor Ayodele Fayose can't enter. The man can't look government, can't talk, say, hey, he shout, hey. So many things don't happen when we say it not be the right thing for Ekiti State. Remember saying at that state, 9% buy bed of 250 million.
See, Chukwudi, I don't matter where you're on ground.
Listen, for history, they get what they call immediate now the thing wey cause am. And they call the guy what they call the long term. Allow me to land though, not they push me, not they force me. Somebody buy bed of 250 million. You go tell me whether a bed of roses. Now this governor can't look the account of government for Ekiti State can't look say something there wrong when they happen for inside this Ekiti State. He can't talk say okay, make we do them this way, make we do them that way. They can't talk say no. They call the proof stronger. And what has happened?
Chukwudi.
The members calm down. The members of the Ekiti State House of Assembly, the progressives, people when we say get the good mind of Ekiti people, they can't decide say if we continue to do like this, we'll continue to stall. They can't come forward.
Chukwudi. You don't talk rich.
You
don't talk rich. Because the way you talk, I say the good people of Ekiti State. I said now Ekiti State, the lawmakers collectively say yes, this our speaker. You know they try make we impeach him. What do you mean? 7 people. No, they tell me that one say good people of Ekiti State. Wait, now talk. You don't talk. You know the point, man. Now just talk. See, where is it done for this Obodo Naija? I mean, for this world, where is it done? No only for this country. We go see lawmakers. They choose where they go say they want to impeach person.
Not be 7. Not be 7 and 9.
9 of 7. Thank you for correcting me. 9.
Thank you.
9 out of how many people?
Wait, they're not impeacher. They're not impeacher.
I never finish.
They're not impeacher.
I never finish. Not only for this country, they go see lawmakers. They go for hotel. Say they go impeach person. They gather meeting. Not only for this country, you go see lawmakers. They gather in front of house. It's a bit they go enter the officially legal place where they suppose gather, talk, impeach you. They will impeach. They go gather in front of house. Say that they impeach person. Not only for this country, since they go people they even decide to say, look, let's try this in the other way. Where we say, they legally approved by our constitution.
See, make I tell you, make I warn you.
No, they warn me.
Make I warn
no,
you.
They warn me.
Wait,
They say they warn me. Which can be my warning.
Our people they talk say, no matter as jollof rice where they cook for party and the drink where they drink, no matter as it's sweet rich, nobody feel saying uzogu eyin by eyin for birthday party. You dey hear me? Now, these lawmakers don't say things they go anyhow for this state, and they don't decide say come make we take better action for this state. Now 9 people. Listen, there be nine people, nine members of this house. They formed
out of how many people? Oh. No, if they mention and tell them say out of how many people?
Allow me talk.
Out of 26 people.
Wait.
26.
You go allow me talk.
Talk. 9
members formed a what people they call. I go speak English. A quorum. A quorum. 9 people. Now mathematics. 9 people form quorum. Listen, some of these.
But
people,
what is the required number of people? We're supposed to get the right to say yes. This number of people now they're supposed to get the right to impeach person.
I tell you, no, there was no impeachment. There was no impeachment.
It was an impeachment.
Listen.
No impeachment.
Make I land.
They land.
These 9 people they form quorum. They can elect what is that they call a speaker plenipotentiary. Hey. You understand? Hey. Thank you. You don't confuse you.
See, I'm not confused.
No, calm down.
Because you don't use time to confuse our viewers.
I'm not. You
don't use time to confuse our viewers.
A speaker plenipotentiary in a person when we say he go sit down to ensure that things go. Why he be say these people when they Ekiti State Assembly, they don't allow the governor, they don't want to approve the list of commissioners.
For our constitution.
You never answer you. You never answer
anything. I know they answer anything.
You must answer them. You now by force. As it dey hot.
Hear me out.
As it dey hot. I will not hear you until you answer my question.
I know they answer anything.
You know what?
Chukwudi, it's for your own mind. Look. Out of 26 lawmakers,
Speaker,
26 lawmakers,
plenipotentiary,
9 people
they form a quorum.
Come plan coup. Say, look, we want to come out this person. We want to come under how many? Under a severe security guard.
Thank you very
much. More than 200 policemen. Where is it done?
Because they are progressive. They need
They need to
secure them.
Why they can't deny other lawmakers from not entering the house?
See,
because they be opposition party.
Calm down.
Because they be opposition party.
You are jumping to conclusion.
I'm not jumping into conclusion.
You are jumping to conclusion.
Okay.
You go further. Wait. You go further. You don't jump. You share. Don't share.
I ask you. No, let me ask you.
You don't ask me. Make I talk my own. No, they ask me. You talk finish. You can't ask me again. Make I talk. Now, the governor don't submit. They answer me yes or no. The governor submit names of commissioners.
Chukwudi, move on.
The governor submit names of commissioners.
Chukwudi, move on. Don't ask me that question.
The people when they house they sit down and say no, we don't like this list. Say now like when you don't like the list, Abi you go allow make the governor do him work.
No be the decision of the lawmakers to decide. Say now like this one, this make this thing.
Now then go work with the people. I mean,
what if the work of the lawmakers in the first place?
The governor works. See,
that is why the governor say make we carry this matter go meet lawmakers. So
for approval.
Now don't go
for approval.
Wait.
They can't reject everybody.
For your information.
Everybody cannot be bad. Everybody cannot be bad.
Hear me out.
Not hear you out.
For you to carry matter say you won't go meet lawmakers. Lawmakers go check your matter say okay. This thing, you know good like this. You know good like this.
Because
okay,
they don't come to your party.
Because
they don't do your party, they go come and make you adjust them.
What did they try to
Because they are in the other party.
What do you mean?
Because they are in the other party.
9 people can say they get the right to impeach person.
Listen.
And when they illegal.
See, calm down. You see, Ayodele Fayose don't come with. See, Ayodele Fayose don't come with umbrella. to cover the people from all the bad things that don't happen for this state. How can listen though, allow me to land. See, the people of Ekiti State, a lot of things don't rain on them. A lot of wrong things don't rain on them. The governor can't come with umbrella to ensure, say, my people shall not be wet by wrong things anymore. How you go bring name? Nkubi, talk through now. You dey go church. How you go bring names of people when you say you want work with commissioners, when you want work with, and these people consider out top say no, you are not going to work with it. Make I can't even shock you now. Make I shock you.
Wait.
Doctor.
Wait. What your point? What be the responsibility of lawmakers? They ask you this question.
To vet. I go speak
English. Look into matter. Say yes. Now this thing is right or it is wrong.
To vet.
If lawmakers talk, say look, this list, say we not to trust them, we not to want them. Wait, governor get any right to say yes, make them move on. Now lie because nothing they impose them on the lawmakers.
Okay, wait.
That one not happen.
Okay, wait. Not the way where you don't even they do I. You know. I know they
point me hand.
No, they do me hand like this.
Point me hand.
No, they do me. You know, be wipe out. No, they do me hand like this. Our people when they for us, when I go see say the studio, it dey hot. Nkubi need balance. If you see say in chair they shaking the whole table because he won't fall down. Allow me. He won't fall down because the points when they carry come now very hot points. Ekiti people want progress. Ekiti people want the right people for them. That's why these people they don't sit down and decide say they go why they do like it? But we go rush enter market because Nkubi need to recover. You need ice water to recover. When we rush, come back.
Market,
we go continue with the
talk.
No they rush with the enter market. No they rush with the enter
market.
market.
Agree for you.
Enter market when I want enter market.
I'm not going to agree for you at all.
What be agree? You know the truth. You know go. Una welcome back to the Ogbonge program. We give you license to talk as they be you for body as it dey hot. On top the chairman television station Wazobia TV channel 195. If you know they watch this program now, if you know they put mouth for waiting they discuss, waiting you they gain. Waiting you they gain. Waiting they talk about today. Now the political somersault when they happen for inside the Ekiti State and the respect for the rule of law. Nkubi sit down for one place. They tell me say he gets all kinds of things when happen. But me, I they give big point to talk.
No, they tell me say they give you big point because
allow me talk finish.
You know if you take your point, they confuse Nigerians.
We are so.
You know if you take your point, just they convince Nigerians. Nigerians don't agree. Nigerians are intelligent people. They are smart people.
Allow me talk finish now.
Talk. No, they open eyes for him. Talk.
Okay, I they carry in the try, but I they give strong point to show am say. What did happen for Ekiti State? Hey. Not be impeachment. Now the right step in the right direction.
Give me a time for that.
Una fit join us. Now they ask me question. Una fit join us on top of Facebook, on top of Twitter, and on top of our website. Make una self chook mouth on top of this matter. And when we reach the fireback segment, we go analyze all the things we una don't talk to show say una support all the points when they bring come. Nkubi, back to you. You need this.
Because Chukwudi, you say no be impeachment. Give me a time for it.
Yes.
Give me one good word where we go represent wetin happen for Ekiti State.
Thank you very much.
No, just give me one word though.
No,
give me one word. Since you got impeachment, give me just one time. One time.
Not they restrict me to
because
one
you no get talk.
Not they restrict me to one thing.
A typical example. Now, the way happened for Anambra State some years back during the era of Peter Obi, when people gather for hotel, impeach him. How many people impeach him? You need the number of people who supposed to impeach person.
See, let me tell you
something. And Joshua Dariye, a typical example, and that Joshua Dariye, where just a few number of people do it, impeach him when he did government.
Let me tell you something.
So you want them to all these things. Look, make me tell you some good truth. We don't get constitution where state something. Make we stick to that constitution. Forget all these things. That is what somebody like Mohammed will be the spokesperson for one of the political parties. Go come and say, hey, Nigerians. Hey, now they see what in the happen and they watch. Now they watch. See what in the happen. See what in the happen. Men are open their eyes for this matter. Men are put chook their own mouth for this matter because this is illegally done.
Thank you very much. You don't put yourself for tight corner and I go rush you. Calm down.
Because that rush I think I can sweep you off.
Calm down. You know if you sweep me.
I go sweep you off.
You know if you sweep me, I get shelter. I get shelter. Okay, make I come land now. See, how can a speaker, I go speak English because of this matter. How can a speaker of a house make I not speak English again.
Because I still go.
Calm down, wait.
Throw on to me because they wait for you.
Now, according to pointblanknews.com, the speaker Adewale, the person when we say now, they don't tell us say calm down. Dr. Adewale Omirin, he come meet with the leaders of his party for Lagos here and the ex-governor. Wait. Allow me talk.
State your fact. State your fact.
Thank you very much.
State your fact.
Pointblanknews.com. According to pointblanknews.com, he come meet with the leaders of his party. And after the meeting, when he gets with them, this man open his mouth. Dr. Wale Omini open his mouth talk say they go impeach the governor before the general elections for 2015. He they assure his supporters, say now he will become the next governor of the state before general election. How can you be making such a statement?
Make you know where they get your facts from.
Listen, it is
make you they know where they get your facts from.
Now I will come speak that English. That action when that man carry, he start
as long as the particular case is under judgment, he still there under case.
You know
as long as the particular matter still there under check. How you could just come wake up one day? Just because of say the speaker no give you right.
Thank you. The speaker no give you right.
No give you
the speaker no give you right.
Don't give you the space to carry out your own personal intention, your own personal will.
You see?
Your own personal will.
You see?
How you go give you such chance?
You don't like him. You don't like the man. You don't
No,
like
they tell me,
you don't like the man. You don't like his party.
What are
you are
that
the
supposed to
Now
mean?
why you dey talk like this? This thing dey very very simple. This man don't come out. He don't map out strategy to redeem Ekiti people. After he map out the strategy, he not talk say, see what we go do to ensure say Ekiti dey well. He bring names of commissioners who na reject them. He talk say one caretaker committee who na reject them. All of them, they just sit down. And this man come and talk say he go make sure say they impeach the governor. That is tantamount to legislative recklessness. Legislative recklessness.
Best way than they impeach. Where you say only 9 people call they impeach.
They form the quorum.
Under a
9
very
is a quorum.
don't they tell me
9 is a quorum.
Under a severe guard of 200, more than 200 policemen.
Progressives. They want to give them security.
Which can
because they form the quorum.
Let me talk.
Talk for waiting.
Under the supervision of 200 policemen, where we say people where they go, they see them as threat.
Thank you.
Because now threat.
Because they want the good. They want
now
the good
threat
for
to the people. Why they not allow the other this thing to
because
come in?
they will obstruct justice.
And they legally
you don't speak English.
And they legally appointed or legally voted members of the house.
9 members form the quorum, true or false.
I don't want to know.
You know
what
what?
What is the required number of people who supposed to get the right to impeach person?
9 members.
2/3.
Listen, I talk say they don't impeach anybody.
They impeach him.
Idowu Adelusi.
They impeach him.
Allow me talk. Idowu Adelusi, the chief press secretary, told Governor Ayodele Fayose come out.
Wait, the chief press secretary to the governor himself.
You dey jealous am? You want the position? He came out. I go speak English. He talk say nobody was impeached. He explain. 9 members formed the quorum. You know what it be quorum?
Chukwudi. Quorum there for constitution.
He there now.
Quorum there. See, my own is as long as now 2/3 of a particular number of people supposed to get the right to impeach.
You see,
quorum no exists.
I go speak
Forget
English.
your quorum.
I go speak. You see, you are looking at this matter. Listen, you are looking at this matter from a point of view where you don't want to see.
You want them to say, wait, now the same quorum impeach Peter Obi. Wait, make can carry the matter, go where it's supposed to go, and in the end, he's still winning the case back. Forget this way they talk.
Calm down. You two they rush. You two they do. I don't want shout to abeg. Just calm down. Because this is when you come here, they tell me now. At the time you say people form quorum, you tell me say people don't form quorum. You don't tell me say I tell you say 9 people form quorum. Then come up and tell me say this thing. No, I just express myself. I go tell you say 9 people form quorum. You tell me say people don't form quorum. Oh yeah, I don't do go rush, go break. Because you two they talk too much. Our people went there for house. When I see them say as they hot. Now program will give you license to talk about as they be you for body. Facebook, Twitter, website. You feel join us on top of as they hot. Many people don't talk on top of Facebook. Many people they talk on top of Twitter. And many people don't send us plenty email on top of our website. We go check all these things when we come back for the next segment, what they call the fireback segment. That fireback segment now where we go table all the things when I don't talk to look at. I trust Una. Una know who they talk the right thing. Una know who stands for justice. Una know who they speak the truth.
Don't try convince Nigeria. You want go break. Go break if you want go break.
Don't
try
rush me,
convince
go break.
them.
Go break. When we come back, we go enter the fireback segment. Make Una no go anywhere. Now still Wazobia TV and the program now as it dey hot.
Yes, welcome back. The program now as it is hot. And we don't enter the fireback segment where we go read the messages where our viewers send. And the first message where I get here, and the name now Ola, in talk say, look, say the action we then carry out for Ekiti State, they very, very wrong. Unto say one, how IG go send over 200 policemen to go to do it, to go say that they safeguard a particular action. Say it illegal, highly illegal. Use the word highly illegal. Say this is not supposed to happen for our Budun and
Who you say send that mail?
No, they ask me. I don't talk.
Who you say send that? Who you say send that?
I don't know.
Thank you very much.
I don't know.
You see, this person they biased. I'm sorry to use this word. The person they biased. You know why? This person talks say the IG send 200 police officers.
You want that IG don't know about them?
Calm down.
IG don't know about them.
Every state they get commissioner of police.
Who approve?
Oh, so now you want to blame the IG.
Okay.
You want to blame it on the IG. Thank you very much.
Talk what you want to talk.
I don't say you and this person, now your neighbor. You tell them making send out. You plan on making send out. No, not the truth. Because you accuse the IG. IG de Abuja. IG de Abuja. May God not allow them call you for what you do not know.
Inspector General of Police. Inspector General of Police.
Make I take.
What times has this action is going? You don't know about that.
Make I take from Bimbo. Bimbo speak English for here, but I go translate. And Bimbo talk say 26 members, 9 day the house, and the house standing order allow for quorum. Keyword na quorum of
this
9
person,
members
this person, sorry,
to sit
sorry
and appoint
to say,
speaker. Wait,
this person says,
you
now
know
your own ideology, your own kind of sense, now you get. Because that same sense, that same, me I not just talk.
I must finish this message.
No, talk.
I must finish am. He said there be 26 members for the house. And the house standing order, this person be like saying a lawyer. The house standing order allow a quorum. Now the key word be that quorum of 9 members to sit down and appoint speaker. He speak English, na Latin. Plenipotentiary.
You sure that this person know wetin they talk?
Plenipotentiary.
This person sure say you know wetin they talk?
You are just jealous of this person.
Why would I be jealous?
Because this person
I read my own now. You tell me my own.
The person knows the right thing. The person is talking the right thing.
Don't give me that. Don't give me that.
You just hear the person.
Don't give me that.
Our people went there for house. Nigeria and our country no go spoil. Everything when they happen for this country, we all need to shine our eyes and chook mouth for the matter because we get voice and we get eyes. We dey see and we fit talk. This Ekiti Somersault, political Somersault when they happen for Ekiti State, we never end the matter. We go continue on top of Facebook, on top of Twitter, and even our website. Throughout today, now what we go to discuss. Throughout the week, now what we go to discuss. But we remember say we tell una say na twins we go to carry come. We don't finish the first one. Make we enter the second one, the rule of law. Our constitution is supreme for this country. Everybody they under the constitution. I go speak English. Nobody is a sacred cow. Nobody is a sacred cow. Everybody they under the constitution. Now, I go through and give Nkubi. Make Nkubi come tell me now. Why he be say people won't get the interest of their country at heart, their state at heart. They come and talk, say, let's do it this way. Other people come, they block the state. And the constitution is supreme.
Who are these people? And what is this constitution?
The people from the other party.
The people from see. Every party gets its own ideology. Every party know what he believe in.
You know, go allow
if this particular set of people talk, say, look, we know this ideology not going to help our nation, it's not going to help our state. What you make we do?
You
make
go
we move on.
You go spoil them.
That is why they are lawmakers.
You go spoil
that is why it is their job to tell the governor, Mr. Governor, look, this might not work this way.
It might not work, and you block the governor, and you don't allow the governor appoint commissioners when the governor wants to appoint.
That is why the government not rub mind with them.
You dey shout.
Why the governor not rub mind with them?
They shout for me.
Why even
rub mind? How you go rub mind after sling? You say make you rub mind. Governor bring list come. You dey talk say this.
All this you dey talk, you just dey play around. You just dey play around. You don't get it to talk.
You dey jealous wetin people dey talk. You don't dey see am. Our people wey dey for house, we don't talk well on top of this Ekiti political Somersault. We go continue this talk on top of Facebook, on top of Twitter, and even our website. The matter no dey end because now as it dey hot, as the smoke they come out on top, now we dey discuss. Una don't see me, I know they shout. I carry points come. I don't give una points. Say this governor, he get the interest of Ekiti people for heart. He won't make it work, but some people no agree make it work. And that's why the progressives, people won't get the good mind of Ekiti people, don't come and talk say we want to elect a speaker plenipotentiary to ensure that the governor continues his work and so that things going to happen. Who could be tell people bye bye, could they go?
Yes.
You don't lose again today.
Yes.
You don't lose again today.
He said people will get the interest of Ekiti people.
Progressives.
Yes. These same people now 9 people out of 26.
Quorum.
Why they not allow the remaining figure
because
to get the right?
They form the
now
quorum.
people will get the interest to the opposition party.
They form the quorum.
Opposition party. We know what they happen. You know the kind of well, our viewers, until Karando Bongo Mata come here tomorrow again. We go still there with now. I mean, I continue to watch Wazobia TV. But still on this matter. You go
tell them bye-bye, you shout
because I never dropped.
I don't win. Don't
tell me say you win. Where you win?
It's everywhere.
Where you win?
Tell people bye-bye,
I don't tell them bye-bye. Bye-bye. Where you win?
Tell them bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Where you win?
No, you don't use best. Tell person bye-bye. Look at
where you win.
I don't win you for today.
Where you win?
Ekiti State.
26. Where did the remaining figure?
What?